Welcome to BLUETTI Support. Today we're diving into the world's first sodium-ion portable power station, Pioneer Sodium. Driven by sodium-ion cells, Pioneer Sodium endures the extreme cold. Even at minus 25 degrees Celsius, it keeps delivering without compromise. All right, let's get started. First things first, make sure the unit is powered off. Use a flathead screwdriver or tweezers to gently slide out the two trim strips. Then unscrew the top. The handles come right off, comfortable to hold and built to carry. Lift off the top cover and the wireless charging module comes into view. It's locked in place with clip-on terminals. The outer shell is made from flame retardant, wear-resistant ABS. Tough where it counts. Look closer and you'll see a dedicated cooling system with dual fans. Quiet, efficient, and ready for any heat wave. Next, take out the air duct and disconnect the battery's terminals. Unplug the AC output and PE cables. And then you can take off the front panel. Everything is clearly zoned and super intuitive. Disconnect the fan cables and lift out both fans. Now, unplug the AC output and PE cables from the motherboard. Remove the screws and lift the board out. Notice the design, minimal wiring for maximum reliability. The inverter features an integrated flat inductor for better EMI performance. Combine that with the bidirectional LLC transformer and BLUETTI's optimization algorithms. It achieves ultra-low power consumption. A bidirectional buck boost module further simplifies the system for even greater efficiency. Premium red capacitors help keep the output steady, even when the CPU's under heavy load. For charging, a 500-watt MPPT module works seamlessly with a 1,400-watt AC input, delivering an 80% charge in just 35 minutes. Finally, remove the bottom screws and outer shell. Here lies the core of innovation. Next-gen sodium-ion cells. No matter the weather, your energy never stops. These cells charge safely even at freezing minus 15 degrees Celsius and power through down to minus 25 degrees Celsius. Built for over 4,000 cycles, they can last up to 10 years. That's the inside story. Let's put it back together. All set. System check. Everything's perfect. From the inside out, BLUETTI powers you safely.